going on, guys? It's been a while since we've posted a video for the S4. Today we're going to be getting stuck into that interior. I've got a whole new interior that's arrived over the last week or so in boxes behind me. I haven't even got a chance to unpack them yet. So I've got a whole nother Recaro interior that I'm going to be putting in there to replace the one that's damaged and sort of, it is not beyond repair, but this was just an easier solution. So I'm going to be cleaning that up, getting all this interior out, doing all the carpets, and then putting the new interior back in.
I can see my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to hear and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
That was an unboxing and a half. So we have here a complete B5 Recaro interior. So the RS4 has RS4 written here, not Recaro, but essentially they are the RS4 interior pieces. Sorry, the seat pieces. It's a lot better than what I've got in there. It's doesn't have any rips or tears. It needs good clean, which isn't a problem. I have lots of good stuff to clean this up and leather condition it all back to its former glory, so that will be another bit of a job by itself, but looking forward to that. So now we've got to get this old interior out, which is, as we can remember, disgusting and cracked and ripped and just absolutely grotty. I've cleaned it as best as I can. Steam, chemicals, it's just, yeah, it's just gone. I mean, I could clean it as much as I wanted to. Can't get rid of the cracks and the deterioration though. Like, it's pretty rank. So unfortunately it has to go. I've got some new door cards as well coming. They haven't arrived yet, so I'll be matching those pieces and the plastics up there with the black trim pieces as well. So let's get stuck into it. So it took me a couple of minutes to work out what was going on, because Audi B5 seats are not like a normal seat. They've got rails that are built into the car, and the brackets are fixed to the seat. So to remove them, you need to unscrew. There's a couple of little screws hidden at the back here. You need to just pop this little fella open. Come on. Never been removed before. There's a little Phillips head screw in there, so you need to take him out. Come over to the other side behind the seat here. You can see another little fella in there. You need to take those out. They're like these plastic covers, but basically these rails slide out the back here once you undo the front. So we'll go ahead and pull them out. There. Awesome shaky camera work here, by the way. You are most welcome for this high quality video footage that I am producing here. But they weren't on the internet, oddly enough. You'd think how often these cars are worked on. They actually, I couldn't find a video on it, so I'm doing a video. Okay, that's that done. We'll go around to the front of the car, where I will show you this really interesting mechanism. Now, usually when you're working on stuff like this with airbags, powered seats and all that sort of stuff, disconnect your battery, okay? Go around, takes 2 seconds to do. Unfortunately, you'll lose all your radio stations. There's some bloody cobwebs here. Pretty, I don't know what you want to call it. I want to call it ridiculous, but essentially it slides back. What you want to do is remove this pin. Remove this pin here. It's like a security pin. It only goes in one way. Sorry for the camera work. See how this bit is wider? All right, a few taps with the hammer and the pins popped out. Now, the seat will slide all the way back. And you can disconnect your harness under here and then take the seat out. Now, be careful. These seats are freaking heavy. All right? Those are the new ones going in. Yeah, if you can, try and do this with 2 people. It's literally like trying to lift a dead person out of your car. Not really fun if you have ever done that before. So this is where we got today. We have the black front Recaros installed. The carpets have been cleaned, trims have been cleaned. We don't have a back seat in there yet. The back seat only literally takes 2 seconds to put in there. But the rear seats here I haven't removed yet. Obviously I've got a wagon. The rear seats that I've got there are actually for a sedan. So I'm going to talk to an upholsterer about possibly using all of that leather onto my wagon seats. They are slightly different, of course, the sedan not having the anchor points on the back for the booster seats and the child restraints, which obviously I'll need because I'll have the kids in my car. And it also has a center headrest here in the wagon, and it doesn't in a sedan. So let's see what happens there. And yeah, that is going to be it for today. Shout out to the world for Recaro B5 seats. I can go back, but I can't go forward. Nothing happens. All the other things work, but this bad boy doesn't come back up. I knew that when I bought them. The ad said that the electrics were a bit sticky or something like that. I haven't been able to get it to work at all. I was hoping that it would have worked somewhat intermittently, but look, no problems. You get that. Still got the really good condition seats, so I'm pretty happy with that. However, I do need this to work. I can go back, but can't really drive like that. I know some people that do, but if you're in an accident, you'll probably end up under the pedals down there. So look, shout out. Let me know in the comments what to do. Do I need to take this panel off or something, clean some contacts or whatever? Is there a common fault? Cheers. And now we have some nice, clean and dry rear trim pieces. That weird muck in it that I don't really know what it was, but anyway, it came out with a good pressure clean. Now the fun begins of putting it all back together in that car, getting a couple of other little mechanical issues sorted out, and we will be getting it on the road as soon as possible. That means some comparison to the R36. Fun times. Thanks for your patience on that video. It took a long time to do, I'm not gonna lie. I think I spent about 3 weekends doing it. There's a lot of stuff in there. There's a lot of cleaning to do, so I need to put it all back together now. There's a few more things that I need to do before I get it roadworthied. But other than that, we're definitely well on the way. Project is in full swing. I've got some stuff that'll be coming up in a few episodes, mechanical things that'll be doing some attention, that'll be giving some attention. Yeah, and then we will start to get some fun videos. We're going to be driving it and driving the R36. What do you guys want to see? Do you want to see some benchmarking, some testing? I was thinking maybe some draggy tests. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what you guys want to see, and we'll make it happen. Comment below, and we'll see you next time.